Hey everyone, welcome to Nilishna's Food Ventures. Today we are making roasted vegetable salad with creamy cashew dressing.
Let's begin with the dressing. Soak the cashew nuts in hot water for around 30 minutes. Drain the water and add the soaked cashew nuts to a blender. Squeeze the juice of half lemon into it. Add olive oil, honey, salt, and crushed black pepper. Add a little water and blend it to a smooth paste. Our dressing is now ready. I am using sweet corn, broccoli, peppers, carrots and this squash vegetable called chayote. We call it chow chow here. You can use any squash vegetable instead. Let us now cut all the vegetables. Make sure all the vegetables are cut into approximately even sized pieces so that it gets roasted uniformly. Of all these vegetables, carrots and broccoli might take a little longer to cook. So I am blanching it before roasting along with other vegetables. Blanch in boiling water for 40 seconds, strain and immediately put into cold water to prevent overcooking. Now we have all our vegetables ready to be roasted. For the marination, I am adding some olive oil, salt, crushed black pepper and some dried thyme and dried rosemary. You can use any fresh or dried herbs that you have with you. Add all the vegetables to the marination and mix well. We can now transfer it to a baking tray. Roast it in the oven at 250 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. The vegetables are now perfectly roasted. You can serve the salad warm or cold. It tastes great either way. Today I am serving it warm. If you prefer, you can toss the vegetables along with the dressing or drizzle the dressing on top and serve.
enjoyed today's recipe. You can follow me on Instagram at Niranjana's Food Ventures, for which the link is in the description box below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more interesting recipes. Bye.